Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chucky, also known as CurlyBoyChuck. If you're new, welcome, and if you're returning, you rock. Today I'm going to be doing a different type of video. I'm going to be doing a comparison video reviewing the Magic Shaving Powder. Now this has gone viral, I believe, on TikTok. It's supposed to be a non-razor type of shaving powder. So essentially you're supposed to mix this with water, put it on your face and rub it off, and your hair is supposed to come off effortlessly without having to shave or dealing with shaver bumps. Now, I have heard some good things about this, and I wanted to try it out myself to see if it really is the real deal. So today I'm going to be using this shaving powder on one side of my face, and I'm going to be shaving the traditional way on this side of my face. And we're gonna see which side is better, if this magic shaving powder is actually the real deal or not. And if so, I'm gonna be switching over to this because I would much rather have this on my face, smoothing out my skin, than getting razor bumps. So sit back, relax, and let's figure out together if this shaving powder is the real deal. All right, so the instructions do state to mix 2 heaping teaspoons of shaving powder with an equal amount of cool water. And this smells like baby powder a little bit, but like a little bit stronger than baby powder. So it's kind of in that same realm, but thankfully it doesn't smell bad. I've heard that Nair's is like the worst smelling one, so we'll take this. I got my bowl here as well and my little mixing spoon. So I got my first tablespoon. I'm gonna add 2 into the bowl. Now I'm gonna add the water. And again, you wanna add 2 teaspoons. All right. Then you want to just mix until it has a nice creamy consistency. So I'm going to just mix, and I will be right back. All right, so I stirred for about 3 minutes and received this nice creamy texture. Now, word of advice, make sure you look at the measurements, because originally I had put 2 tablespoons, not 2 teaspoons, and it was a really watery consistency. Then I re-looked at the directions and I realized, oops, my bad, I messed up. So I had to dump that out and reapply again, this time using teaspoons, not tablespoons. And that's how I got this nice creamy texture, which is what you want to see. So I'm going to apply it to this side of my face. And then on this side, I'm going to apply my normal shaving cream and shave with my razor. And we're going to see which side looks better, which side performs better. So let's get started. So first things first, I'm going to pin my hair back so I don't have curls in my face. So I'm going to just put my hair up in a satin hair tie as well as my satin bonnet. All right, now I did go ahead and dampen my face with a microfiber towel. I like to wet it with warm water and just kind of go through my face, just because I do have coarse facial hair and I don't want to be too rough on my skin. So I'm just want to like soften the hair out and the cuticles before going in whenever I shave or do anything to my face. So I'm going to start with the cream, the magic cream. All right, let's see. So this half is going to be the cream. I really hope this works. And it does say to leave it on your face for 5 to 7 minutes and then wipe off with your microfiber towel. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, I'm gonna just go in with my bare hands. All right, let's get a little bit to my beard. And if this works, I'm gonna be amazed. I'm going to be amazed and really, really excited. It does say in the instructions too to apply it to your beard. So I'm assuming this is specifically for men, but I know that women have been using it as well for their legs and other areas. So yeah, all right. One half done. The other half is going to be my normal shaving cream. And so let's get started on that side. All right, and this is my natural shaving cream. This is an organic plant-based shaving cream, which I absolutely love. All right, so I got shaving cream on this side and the shaving powder on this side. So I'm gonna wait 5 to 7 minutes before I wipe off. While doing that, I'm going to just start shaving on this side, since you don't really have to wait to shave. So, I'll be right back. All right, so I'm pretty much done on this side. I definitely went in lightly and just kind of shaved around. I still have some small areas to go through. All right, 5 minutes is up. Now it is time to wipe this side. Remove with a damp cloth. Okay, damp. And here we go. Crossing my fingers. Okay. Well, I do see hair. I do see hair. Well, it does have a lot of residue, unfortunately, like flaky residue. So definitely get you a vacuum after you're done. All right, now the beard area, let's see. This was the toughest area, so I really want to see if this gets the hair out. I don't know. All right, and we are done. So this is the shaved side with my razor and my normal shaving cream, and this is the shaving powder side. It did get a lot of my hair out on this side, but it's not clean. You know, there's still patchy areas of hair. And what sucks about this is that it does say in the instructions, if you still have hair left over, wait, I believe, wait 24 hours before using it again. So I have to wait 24 hours looking like this. I think shaving is a little bit better in my opinion. I mean, as you can see, it's more consistent. What I didn't like about the shaving powder is it flaked up really, really fast. So I had to like immediately like go over the sink because I didn't want to make a mess. And it didn't get everything off. So was it worth it? I don't know. You guys, this is what my skin looked like 20 minutes later. My skin was blistered up and it burned like heck. So it's been a couple of hours later, and as you can see, my skin is not doing well. I got redness all around my cheeks. My skin feels very sensitive and it hurts. I got bumps down here. And as you can see on the shave side, nothing. My skin feels perfectly fine on this side. This side feels like I went through like a major burn. Like it definitely hurts. It feels like I've over exfoliated my face. That's what it feels like. So I'm not gonna touch my face tonight. I'm not even gonna do my skincare routine tonight. I'm gonna just leave my face alone. Maybe put some lotion on and just let my face heal. But yeah, that's what my face is looking like after the powder. All right, it is 24 hours later, and I wanted to show you what my skin is looking like after the debacle of this shaving powder. So I was able to do my skincare routine this morning. My skin did feel a little less irritated than it did last night, but my night was not fun. My skin definitely felt like I had a really bad sunburn all day long. I did use CeraVe's healing ointment, which I absolutely love. So I just put that around my face. That's all that I did last night. I woke up and my skin definitely felt a lot better than it did last night, but it still feels a little bit, you know, sensitive. So I did a very light skincare routine this morning, and here's what my skin is looking like. As you can see, I still got the blisters and bumps that the shaving powder created around my lip area over here. I got like some marks over here. It just really, really messed up this side of my face. This side of my face is perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. It's only this side. So clearly, this is the culprit. So yeah, I will not recommend this. I would not use this ever again. I'm not gonna use the extra strength. I don't care. I'm not putting this anywhere near my face. The interesting thing is that this is actually advertised for men and specifically for your beard. It even says in the back here, and I will show you guys a screenshot. It says, apply the creamy mixture to beard. Leave on for 5 to 7 minutes. Re-moisten if the mixture dries. So this clearly is specifically geared or advertised to men for your facial hair, which is why I put it on my face, in case you're wondering. Because I know some people use it on their legs or their arms or other areas of their body. And people will say, well, the face is really the most sensitive area. Why would you put it there first? But this is advertised to substitute for typical shaving on your face. That's the point of this. Even though people are using it for other reasons, the specific point of this brand or product is to help men not have to shave their face. And as you can see, it didn't work for me. So yeah, there's that. So that is my review. I'm gonna stick to shaving. I'm gonna stick to my razor. I'm gonna stick to what I know. And that is what I'm gonna do. So let me know in the comments down below if you have used this product before and what it has done to your face or your body. Has it worked for you? What were your techniques? I definitely am interested to find out. But I know for me, I'm done. If you enjoyed this content, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit my notification bell so you know when I post a new video. Until next time, keep it curly and always keep it healthy. Peace.